Time to work on the gusset. We are now going to place stitch markers to help us keep track of the center 18 stitches that are the instep top, and to help us keep track of where we need to do the decreases to shape the gusset and get back to 40 stitches for the instep, the foot part of the sock. So first we're going to work 14 knit. So slip first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we will slip, slip, put them back in reverse order, and knit 2 together and knit 1. Now we need a stitch marker and count 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Stitch marker, knit 1, knit 2 together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's purl all the way across. Keep the stitch marker where it is, just slip it over. Now we turn and do the next decrease row. Slip the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 2, 3 before the marker, slip, slip, put it back, reverse, knit together, knit 1, take the marker over, knit 18 to the next stitch marker. So now stitch marker comes over, knit 1, knit 2 together, and finish to the end of the row. Turn and purl the next row as it is. Keep the stitch markers where they are. Turn. Next decrease row, 1 slip and knit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3 before the marker, slip, slip, put them back in reverse order, knit together, knit 1, work the center, marker, now knit 1 and knit 2 together and finish the row knitting to the end. Turn and purl across. Turn, next decrease row, slip 1, knit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, slip, slip, reverse the order, work them together. Stitch marker, now do the center 18. Slip the marker, knit 1, knit 2 together, finish to the end, turn and purl across. Turn, working next decrease row, slip the first stitch 1, knit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, slip, slip, reverse the order, work them together. One more, stitch marker, work the center. Stitch marker, knit 1, knit 2 together, work to the end. Turn and purl across. turn and work the last decrease. Slip 1, knit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, slip, slip, reverse the order, work 10, these two together is 10, one more 11, take the stitch marker off, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, knit 1, 30, knit 2 together, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. We're back to 40 stitches. And this is where we are on the sock part. Right here. In the next video, we transition to the foot.